Good day everyone, my name is Darla Ibanay. Environmental management. Table of contents. Judiciary and environmental management. Two. Regional corporation and environmental management. Number 3. Taxation laws, green taxes and tax sheet. Number 4. Local laws. And number 5. Environmental clearance. The judiciary and environmental management. Role of judiciary and environmental management. Judiciary interprets and enforces laws to address environmental disputes. It also helps prevent conflicts of interest and ensure sustainable development. Judiciary components. Global level, International Court of Justice. National level, Supreme and Federal Courts. High Courts, Environmental, Tribunal, and Green Leadership. Role of environmental management, established in 1945 based in the Hague, Netherlands. Uphold international treaties like the Paris Agreement and also address transboundary pollution and environmental damage. The court was two functions. One, to settle in accordance with international laws, legal disputes submitted by states. To give the advisory opinion, the legal question referred to it by utilized, authorized, and organized and specialized agencies. Indian judiciary and environmental management use the public interest litigation for the environmental protection. Indian daily nuclear emissions case. The Supreme Court held that earth pollution caused by the nuclear emission violated the right life under Article 21 of Constitution. Church Church of God in India versus A.R. Majestic Colony Welfare Association. The court observed that noise pollution amounts to a violation of Article 21 of Constitution. Number 3. Below Citizen Forum versus Union of India. The court ordered the closure of tanneries near Hillary that were discharging toxic chemicals into the river. It, it upheld principles such as sustainable development and principle of molecular-based principle. Judicial philosophy and approach. The judicial treats environmental degradation, cause of social, economic, and institutional issues. The emphasize judge prevent implementation, the environmental laws, and focuses on balancing conflicting interests, ensuring the environmental sustainability and protecting fundamental rights. So tools such as Article 32 and Article 2 to 6 of the Constitution empowering individuals, NGOs, role of environmental courts, special courts and green issues focus resolving environmental related. Example, the National Green Tribunal fined the Art of Living Foundation in 2016 for damaging the Lenoma floodplains and ordered to restoration ensuring environmental accountability. The National Green Tribunal. The National Green Tribunal was being established on 2010 under the National Green. 2010 is effectively expeditious disposal of the case related to environmental protection of the forest and under the national and natural resources. Greenpeace, International Greenpeace concept in April 1996 by Supreme Court of India, directed by Calcutta High Court and established a special adjust, adjudication and cases related to environmental derogation and conservation. Public interest litigation. Public interest litigation in a legal mechanism and allows the individuals to protest injustice or issues affecting the public large, especially marginalized and underrepresented communities. Enable courts to address matters of social justice, environmental protection, and government accountability, ensuring the protection of fundamental rights and public goods. Regional Corporation. Regional Corporation as an environmental management refers to collaborate efforts between neighboring countries to address shared environmental concerns and sustainability, manage transboundary and ecosystem and resources. Example of regional corporation. South Asia Association for Regional Corporation, SAARC, focus on biodiversity and forest management, home to 15% of global biodiversity. Number two, Asian Association of Southeast Asian cross-border efforts contribution to